Hey, it's Dave the Space Nessie, and I've just been sent some excellent photos from Orbex that was taken last month at their open day. And some of these drone shots are amazing, and we can see the construction of the floating road. Now, if you don't know what a floating road is, well, you've probably got images of bridges, water, and bouncy roads, and all of that is true. However, it's not a new concept. Floating roads are already found in China, the US, Ireland, and obviously Scotland. And in Ireland and Scotland, it's mainly the Forestry Commission that uses them, or companies that need to get to wind farms in really hard to get areas. And what they do is that they compress the peat down to a level where the peat is pushing up and the road is pushing down until there's an equilibrium going on. And this helps protect the peat. And when I was there at the open day, we were shown how there's water pipes under the road going across all along the road, and that is to balance the water levels at both sides of the road. It has to be equal on both sides, if not the road can actually tilt. And Orbex do plan to put a 30-minute pause in road use once a truck has driven over it to allow the road time to recover. And that is just a safety thing. The construction people who are doing it are very experienced. They've been doing this for 30 years, so they know what they're doing, and Orbex are just keeping an eye on things. So let's talk about the three water crossings, the three red bridges that are seen in a lot of the photos. I've seen folk on social media mention that these are just for wildlife to cross, and unfortunately it's not true. It's boring. It's just so that the road can cross wider stretches of water and they don't have to disrupt the natural water course of the area. Wildlife is definitely protected, and some species of bird nesting on the site will affect construction and possibly launch timeframes in the future. That's my opinion, not anything official. But Orbex do have people on the ground monitoring this all the time. I believe it is also legal requirements, so they are inspected and audited by government agencies to ensure that they are protecting wildlife. And Orbex are really strict on the protection that they're going to do on site. So, what do you think about the construction so far? Are you as excited as I am? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to leave you with some amazing drone footage, and I will see you in the next video.